Don't know it's actress Shayna. I am representing for Country Come to Town Part 4 in the making. You soon get it, it soon drops. So just check out some behind the scenes that we have right now. Please remember to subscribe to Talk Up TV 1 for the latest Jamaican movies. Big up on yourself. Traveling through Negril with the Talk Up TV 1 family. We're looking for a very nice spot to do a scene. Please remember to subscribe to Vibe with Squaddy, Kasha Park _bongos. It's your girl Sweet Pea. Talk Up TV 1 is the channel you should be watching for the latest Jamaican movie. Chaplad and Britney getting ready to go to the part of scene. Chaplad and looking like Kasha Park. Yeah, people, you don't know it's Kasha Park _bongos. Check out Millie Boss on the YouTube channel. Big Bad and Bossy Sky Boss. Big up yourself, the new editor. Alright, let's kick it off. As you all know, this is Britney and Chaplad, otherwise known as Psyche and Chin, getting into character. You don't know if them part of scene I go shoot. So Fallon, tell me what you have to say about them 2 here.
Watch for them.
Britney. Fallon, I have a little information for you. Britney. Try listen and listen good. Listen what Fallon say.
Many man boss are shot in here, you know. When I look information in here,
moving on, you look Friday.
So this is with people. When me only can't talk to me, God spare me life.
Sapphire push up. I can't talk. And this you take cash up money I do?
Yeah.
I spend per woman. Okay.
The big gold drinks that I see. Come on. I'm back. I'm not gonna make you boy.
Cash up. Cash up. Cash up. What you gonna do, boy?
Blood. They come past space. Just come past space. Yeah. If you know you're better.
Okay,
You seem like a nice girl.
because I am.
A nice girl.
Of course.
No. But we never know. We did. As a matter of fact, we did. So if a man look you up, they say, yo, chop that are your man. I understand.
Serious.
You know, seem like you're take it.
I'm here.
I understand. Okay. Hook that in your blue. What's the other?
Taken
Eh?
by Chaplad.
Okay. Who you fit there? We have.
Rob Mr. Cook.
Alright.
Can I get you anything else?
So we think it's
Enjoy.
nice. Well, masih ada mangan tadi kami kikal yang panik kira. Wow. Yes, it looks nice. I like the bar. I like the bar. It's special. One case I put down for real. So, you know? I don't know if it's I don't know if it's yet or not.
Kami aja berdua kalau tak mau ini aku dong deh.
Bye.